nice good midday afternoon from Queenstown in New Zealand. We have had a busy week so far, so it's Friday today. We last saw you on Tuesday, I think it was. So yeah, we've got a few things to update you on, what we've been up to over the last few days. Been trying to tick some things off. So first things first, when we first arrived, we had to go and try and set up our bank accounts. But because it's coming into peak season here in Queenstown for the winter, and there's loads of people coming into town, there's not an appointment for like 2 weeks. In fact, the bank in town itself said 3 weeks before they'd see us. So
long.
Yeah, and so we're having to wait around for that. And until we've got that, we can't get our tax number sorted out and stuff like that. So that's a bit annoying, but we have at least got the ball rolling with that. So that's one good thing that we've been doing.
And we also got our SIM card sorted, which is like one of the first jobs that you've got to do when you come on a working holiday visa, so that you can contact people and stuff, because it's really important. And you know, a lot of places ask for contact numbers and you can't give them an international number. So
that doesn't work.
It's pretty easy to sort out. You just go into the phone shops and they just sort you out. They're so used to tourists here, it's ridiculous really.
In fact, I think most of the people that we've spoken to in the shops are like foreigners themselves. Yeah, like we've met Irish people and like Asian people, Scottish, all over England. It's crazy how many like foreigners there are in town. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Something else we had to do was go and see the post office. Not sure if any or many of you know, but we've got like a small necklace business on Etsy. We've had to shut that down while we moved out here until we got sorted and all that kind of jazz. But we went to see the post office to find out shipping rates, so we'll be getting that up and running ASAP, so that we can get that back up and running and start sending some orders out again.
Yeah,
I've really
missed making necklaces and stuff. It's felt like I've had my lifeline chopped off. So yeah, really looking forward to getting back into that and getting them shipped out. But yeah, like Dom said, the shipping might change a little bit, but we'll sort it all out and we'll let you know when we've done all that.
Definitely. Next thing, I've had to write all this stuff down on the phone so that I can remember it all. I had an interview yesterday for working up one of the mountains, so hopefully, fingers crossed, by the next video we'll know what's happening and I will have a job at Coronet Peak, fingers crossed, all things being well. So yeah, that's kind of what we're going in for job wise.
Yes. That
would be awesome if that comes through. Really fingers crossed for it.
Absolutely. And I'm kind of just waiting to see what happens with Dom's so that we know what's happening, I guess. I feel like we're pretty much set on Queenstown now at this point, so once we've got some accommodation sorted, I'll start looking for a job myself, just so that we know exactly where we're going to be and I know how far away I can be. You know, it's difficult. There's a lot of places in Queenstown you can be located and the buses sometimes take a little while. So yeah, that's the job side of things. So fingers crossed for us. I mean, hopefully when you see this, maybe we'll have already heard back from, we'll know what's happening with life, but at this moment in time it's massive limbo period.
Yeah, for sure. Which brings us on to the next point that we're in limbo about, which is accommodation. So we're in the hostel at the minute. Insert footage over the top of me talking here of the hostel. It's a really nice hostel, to be fair. But we are just waiting on a phone call about moving into a studio apartment like up the road, and it's absolutely gorgeous. We really want it.
It's so nice. Yesterday while Dom was at his interview, it came up on Facebook because there's like loads of groups, that's how you find accommodation, and I was like, oh my gosh, this never happens. It's a studio apartment, 1 bed, and it's just amazing. The view out of the window is amazing. It would be a dream come true if we got that place, but we'll see whether it happens or not. If it's meant to be, it'll be, you know, that's how it goes.
We've kind of been waiting on a phone call since about like 8 o'clock this morning, and it's 12:10 as we're talking to you, so we were expecting we'd have been called by now. We just don't know what's happening.
So yeah, we don't know what's going to happen with that, but really hope that we actually get it, but something else will come along if not, I guess.
Sure. And just the very last thing, so we've kind of tried to figure out a video format for how we're going to do this. So all we're going to do with our vlogs is kind of, because we'll be doing it a week long, it's just when the clips change or when the day changes, we'll just kind of put the day of the week. Let us know what you think of it, and yeah, we'll kind of roll with that for now and see how it is, just so you kind of know where we are in our life and stuff like that.
And on my channel I'll be putting out daily vlogs, so of the week long vlog, sometimes I will just add a random day and, you know, I'll put that on my channel, so it'll be like a full day with us rather than just little snippets of it. But we just thought that was the best way to kind of keep our family back at home in the loop about what we're doing, and you guys too, because it's really it's really exciting, and we're doing so much, but every day is like sparse. Like, we do something really exciting in the middle of the day, but it's not worth vlogging the whole day for. So yeah, we'll stick with our weekly vlogs. I think it'll work really well.
So without further ado, on to today. So I don't know if this is a worldwide thing or a southern hemisphere thing or what, I've never heard of it before, but disc golf or frisbee golf is this massive thing in New Zealand. So we've got our frisbees today and we're going to go and do a little bit of frisbee golf. So obviously we're going to take you along for the ride. let's go play some golf. Just at the first tee now, there's just one more group in front of us, so we're just waiting for them and then we will tee off. Tactical decision for Kay coming up. Did she try and thread the needle through those trees? What do you think, Kay?
I don't really know. I don't even know how to throw a Frisbee.
That's not true.
It's true. Let's see what happens.
Wow. Time for the pro. Here we go. Oh, that's a poor throw, to be fair.
Well, it's much better than mine.
We've given Kay good graces because she basically landed in the tree. So yeah, be a tree. Come on, good throw, strong throw. That's no, not the lake.
Okay, I don't want to play anymore.
Oh Lord.
I need lessons. I knew I was bad at throwing Frisbees, but I didn't realise I was quite that bad. I can only get better though, yeah?
Okay, here she goes. Whee! Yes, I'm winning. That's better. I mean, you're in another tree, but that's better. It's all on this shot. Oh, how does that work? Stand by, just lock it in like that.
Da, da, da.
Woo! Okay, so that is Frisbee golf. We're going to enjoy the rest of the game in peace. It's a pretty cool game. We're going to enjoy this.
I won't kill anyone or lose this.
Pretty nice views from the golf course, I would say.
Yep. Whee!
In the lake.
Go run after it.
I'm not sure if that's meant to be a rope swing, but if it is, then someone got a bit optimistic, I think. That's a long way up. Okay, what just happened, Kay?
Well, we decided to speed the game up just a little bit, and so we did race golf rather than like waiting for each other. Anyway, I got really good at it in the end.
She's killing the game.
I'm still won though, next time.
But look at the colour of that water through the trees. This place is blowing us away.
Help.
This game, man. She has got the hang of it now. Look at that for a shot. Yet another stunning view as we walk around the course. Look at those bad boys. Yeah. So that was the last hole. We've just finished up now. I don't think we're going to be professional disc golfers anytime soon.
We got better though, we improved.
Yeah, for sure. It's kind of like the enthusiasm ran out as we got through the course, but no, that was really nice.
Like 18 is too many when you're not very good.
Yeah, I reckon so. Like, we need to improve our golfing skills, our throwing skills before we can do that again. But yeah, we'll have to go for a proper walk around the gardens with the camera and film it properly because it's so nice in here. But yeah, for now we're just back to hostel and we'll see you when we see you. See ya.
I'm all out of breath from walking up this really steep hill. But it's the next day now, guys, and yesterday we left off saying that we'd had a look around an apartment and we weren't sure whether we'd got it. Well, we got it! We are so excited. I cannot wait to share it with you all. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. It's all just fit into place so perfectly. We are so beyond happy. So we are just walking there now to go and check it out. We've got to connect the internet, so I don't know why I always film when I'm walking up a hill. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I need to see if there's a box or something, so we're gonna go and do that, and then yeah, we'll show you a little bit around, but I'll do a proper tour on my channel at some point, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, we need to go and see if there's a Wi-Fi router or something. We're gonna connect the Wi-Fi anyway. It's all very boring, but look at this view. So I'll give you a bit of a sneak preview of the amazing view we've got out of our windows. It's so nice. Look at that! Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, we're so happy.
So yeah, we are pretty excited to be in there. We're just walking back into town now because, like we said, we need to sort out the Wi-Fi and all that kind of thing. So that's probably it for today. We just wanted to give you a quick fill in on what's been happening. Like we said, we'd do kind of a little bit out of each day, a little snippet. So yeah, same again, we'll talk to you when we talk to you. Morning guys, so rainy day yesterday, so we didn't get to do anything, but the rain's meant that we've got snow today, so that's really good. Back on the errands today, so first thing we need to do is go to the bank and pay in the money for our rent, and then we're going to go to the shops and start buying stuff for the new apartment. So yeah, busy day, possibly not exciting, but we'll bring you along for the ride anyway. How are you feeling today, Kay?
Pretty good.
What are you most excited to buy from the shop? Yeah, it's a bit sunny. Woo!
I'm not really sure, to be honest. I just like looking around the homeware stores. It's what I've always wanted to do, is like live in my own house. So today is the day that we get to do all of the like stuff that you do to get a house. So it's gonna be awesome.
To the shops!
This is the view out of the window of the store. What the heck? Just trying to find a nice mug.
Oh Jesus.
You're such a child.
That's a bit long. Cool, so we just finished up at the shop. All that stuff in the trolley has just managed to fit into our bags, so that's absolutely awesome. So yeah, we're going to get the bus back towards the apartment now, unpack everything and start to move in. Can we just stop for a second to take in this view? Wow. We forgot that these were a thing too, and they had them in Australia, so that's like a free workout bench thing that's just like in the middle of nowhere. So there's a school here with all the athletic stuff, and then this is a walking track. Whee! And then just along the way there's all these random bits of gym stuff. It's pretty cool. I think that for all the time we're here, all through this winter, I'm never going to get sick of that view. It's absolutely incredible. We're home! A little bit more lovely view again. Oh, it looks so nice with the snow on top. Yeah. Cool, so while we're just making some food, or while Kay's making some food, we'll just start to unpack all the shopping that we just got and put it into the kitchen. And then we can do all the stuff like unpacking our suitcases, which we brought down the other evening, and making the bed and sorting out the bathroom and stuff like that. Onwards! So that's been a really nice chilled afternoon. We've got all the kitchen stuff packed into the cupboards like what we showed you, and then after that we unpacked our suitcase as well. So I'll just really quickly show you around. So we said in the start, or when we were at the park the other day just before I played Frisbee golf, about the necklace business. So that's where all that stuff's staying. There's the kitchen with everything in it. And then as we come through, we've made the bed. Everything's in and sorted. Got some clothes up there. So yeah, just need to wait for the Wi-Fi to be sorted now and we will be good to go moving in. Can't wait. Really, really excited for it. It's such a nice place to be living. Oh.